Guys, please subscribe and help us get to 50,000 subscribers. Welcome to our fans on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup Finals. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Orlando Pirates 2. I'm joined by the chairman of the People's Branch. Wow.
Hey, Tivo, what a time to be alive.
Yes.
What a time to be alive. But I expected you not to introduce me as the chairman, but to introduce me as His Excellency, the Honorable President of MASA, the Mining Association of South Africa. I've told them that I will be here with full force.
Yes.
I'm not going to send anyone. I'm going to be here and I'm going to support them with full force.
Yes.
Some of them, they said we have got bad luck.
Yeah.
Little did they know is that the day they robbed the Yanga, that's the day the bad luck got away.
Yes.
Because we visited them when they were playing against Esperance, the rest is history.
Yeah.
We visited them against when they were playing against Mighty Bagania, the rest is history. If you can come to think of it, they are living in an expired world.
Mamelodi
If
Sundowns.
I can tell you, I've learned something today.
What?
What do you do? 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 It's only my ambulance as a Tembisa. You know, it's very sad that we are being led by common sense. Because if you can check, we are talking about Patrick Masonga Tito, who's not nominated as the footballer of the season. But let me tell you something. Maybe I'm yet to be educated, but I'm talking about someone who has been nominated as the midfielder of the season.
Yes.
I'm talking about someone who has been nominated as the last man standing in the MTN 8. I'm talking about someone who has been nominated as the player of this of the tournament in the Nedbank Cup. But he's not nominated as the footballer of the season.
How?
Now there is a nomination of Teboho Mokoena.
Yes.
Take away nothing from Teboho Mokoena, he's the best. But the guy is not even nominated in his position, which is the midfielder. But he is nominated as the the problem is that we are being led by common sense, and common sense sometimes is not so common.
Yes.
Okay. You are going to see.
Yeah.
We are going to have the coach of the season.
Yes.
They will give it to Coach Roland Mokoena. I don't have a problem with it.
Yes.
But look, we are having Coach Jos Mazibuku. I'm talking about the coach who's defending, who has defended MTN 8.
Yes.
I'm talking about the coach who have defended today Nedbank Cup.
Yes.
I'm talking about the coach who have finished in the second position.
Yes.
Don't you think he have won two trophies? Don't you think that he deserves a coach of the season?
He does.
Someone will tell me that he hasn't won a league.
Yes.
But I will take you back to Coach Benny McCarthy.
Yeah.
Coach Benny McCarthy proved to us that it is possible to win coach of the season without winning a league.
He did.
So, do you understand?
I do.
But what can we say? What can we say? I don't want to dwell much into politics.
Yes.
But we just want to say congratulations to Orlando Pirates. The country is at peace now. The country is at peace. We have said, look, with the material they have, they can't win these cups. They say they are dominating. Maybe they are dominating on the DSTV Premiership, but we're not seeing it. But he is going to take the player of the season.
Yes.
The coach of the season. But though he's going to take the coach of the season,
yes,
he has been defeated in the presence of Jos Mazibuku.
Yes.
He has been in MTN 8.
Yes.
Again, he has been defeated in the presence of Jos Mazibuku in the Nedbank Cup.
Yes.
But he's still going to take the
How? How is my question? How?
We come to the player of the season, Ronan Williams. He is good. He's good. There is no goalkeeper who can be compared to him at the moment.
Yes.
But you know, he's going to win it. Why? Because people who are going to vote, at the back of their mind, they are going to take into consideration that this is the very same Rowan who saved penalty in the AFL. This is the very same Ronan Williams who saved penalty in the AFCON. This is the very same Ronan Williams who saved penalty in the CAF. Forgetting that it has got nothing to do with PSL. That's why injustice is going to take place. But we are yet to be educated. Do you understand? So, congratulations to Coach Rivero.
Yes.
He has proven to us that you don't just play cup finals, but he wins cup finals.
Yes.
We have seen here the coach there. She was disappointed. She was a hagamaga. She was humiliated.
She?
Yes.
Yes.
Who's she?
Roland Mukwena. So she's been humble today. She's been humble. And when I'm still on there, let me touch on this. Lots of people they are seeing me fault when I say, according to myself, it is not upon me who Kaizer Chiefs can hire as the coach.
Yes.
But I'm against this hiring of Sid Ramovic.
Yes.
All of a sudden, because Sid Ramovic is having a beef stew with Coach Roland Mukwena,
Yeah.
all of a sudden he is the best candidate for Kaizer Chiefs.
Can be.
Look, if we are going to smell the aroma of the stew beef is cooking with Roland Mukwena,
Yes.
and we think that is the best coach for Kaizer Chiefs, we are here to do what? To
Say no.
To do a football, to commit a football abortion.
Yes.
The very same way Mamelodi Sundowns committed a football abortion when they demoted Manqoba Mngqithi for Coach Roland. I've said it. Some of you thought me a pambana. You
Yes.
thought I'm smoking socks.
Yeah.
That they've committed a football abortion. The very same day they demoted Manqoba Mngqithi
Yes.
for this guy. There's nothing, man. With every material he has,
Yes.
he disappoints with a cherry on top. He disappoints with a distinction.
I heard there's gonna be a reshuffle Monday.
Look, because we have said it before, they are not going to do it. Only if we kept quiet. I'm telling you, we are going to wake up with a new manager.
Yes.
But truth be told, the guy is failing.
Roland.
You can decorate him the best way you know how,
Yes.
but he is failing.
Yes.
He is having emotion. He's running this team based on emotion.
Yeah.
The likes
Yeah.
of Sereno, the guy is the quality.
Yes.
The guy has got what it takes.
Yes.
But because he has expressed himself that he don't want to play for Sundowns because they are no longer giving him game time.
Yes.
They decided to bench him.
Why?
Maybe because of the scandal of Thembisile Lodge. He decided to bench him.
Whoa.
Emotional intelligence.
Yes.
Yes.
They said Lodge is injured.
The emotional intelligence he has,
Yes.
it has caused him emotional damage today.
Whoa. Lodge is not injured, Kanti.
Loshi was injured. How many players which Sundowns have said they are injured and they came to social media and said I'm not injured?
Man.
Do you understand?
Man.
Hey mama, Papa again, I'm a resident here in Amafenswege TV. I am a permanent resident here.
Okay, give me a man of the match, my brother. Man of the match. Wow.
Tito might not win. He won't win the football of the season.
Yes.
But the guy has won our heart.
Yeah.
And we say congratulations, Ambulance Tembisa. We are behind you. And I want to say to Amafenswege TV, thank you so much for what you have been doing throughout the season. We started the previous season together and we finished it. We yet started another season, 2023 to 2024, and we are finishing it. We say danko. Where is Chami?
Hey guys.
Okay.
Thank you, leadership.
Yes.
Kulogo upapa wakushoyo guys siyabonga Amafenswege TV.
Thank you. Nathi sibongani nabaphethu.
Into engizonithembisa yona guys, I know ukuthi enza ngithatha as bathi angikhuluma into enesense, abantu abakhuluma into enesense laba badliwe. But asiphume lapho ngoba vele bengekho. But ngiyanithembisa abalandeli bamaFenswege TV ukuthi amaFenswege TV awalala endleleni, angeke nize nibhoreke njengoba isizini ivalekile kanjena kungabi nama game. Soba sikhona thina and any supporter like ingavela ukuthi sikhulume ukuthi sithenga bobani kwenzakalani emaklabhini wethu lethi nje siphushe lento until iqala ilento zana ngeke nize nibhoreke. Qhubekani subscribe kumaFenswege TV njengoba nisithanda nathi sanithanda guys. Yabaranza papa wawamusa
Hayi baranza songazi.
Translate please.
We love you wholeheartedly.
Thank you.
Thank you.